Morning everybody, something different for you this morning. It's 54 Anglia. I'm going to lift body over onto the chassis, so you don't see sort of stuff like this very often, so I thought really it'd be worth me showing you. I mean, you know, I've done a bit, I don't know if I've done any videos, but I've done A-posts, messed around with B-posts, in arches, new bolt floor, bits and pieces, patched up, all this. Well, been patched over, she's got inner paint done now, I've got engine bay so it can lift on, I can finish rest off on car, but I've let you have a look because 70-year-old cars don't seem to be appearing too much on YouTube at minute, but something a bit different. So, I think you've all seen chassis before. Engine's been fully rebuilt. Had a bit of an issue, we got a bit of a drip on back, but anyhow, we changed some, they like have some half moon things on them. So we changed them, and that's supposed to cure that. It's caused oil to drip in. I mean, apparently it's a bit of an issue with them, but just the way it is. But you've seen all this, I'm sure you have. And then this is the body. I mean, it's got its paint on its engine bay area now. I mean, it's got its epoxy. It's had its well-through coat prior to work. I don't know if you saw them bits. And obviously, it's all fresh paint inside, and it's been fully got through. You know, it's had its well-through coats where it's needed. It's been de-rusted. So it's had rust treatment proper, it's had rust removed properly, acided up. We're all up there. And then we've done a lot of work at back, but underneath where she's sitting on now, she's fully protected. Because underneath there, I mean, it's probably trying to like sort it out, aren't we? That had a well-through coat, obviously I repaired right at back, I put a bit of a boot floor in. I'm waiting for a back panel that I'll do when it's in situ. So I had a well-through coat and epoxy, and now it's had a full stone chip coat. So be able to insulate it and keep job right. But I just thought it'd be something you might want to look at. I mean, I made a new bolt floor panel down to here at back. Now I'm just waiting for this because it's had an accident here, so there's a new one coming. I think it should be due any day, it's imminent like. And then it sits on, I mean, rivets on, body rivets on, bits up here. There's a bit of seam sealing to do, that's factories, and they also filled down this area with seam seal. When I noticed when I was working on it, it was more or less, it was like, it was like rock, it was rock asphalt, but lifted up with engine crane, as you can see, and she'll sit on here. I've dropped it off its skates here to get back in where I want, tight exhaust up for the time being, and it's a bit of a juggle, but once I get it sat in situ, it's a space freed up in workshop as well, so let's get something else done. But thought you'd like a look. Not very often, like I said earlier, that you get stuff 70. Well, I don't think 70-year-old stuff's probably going to get restored now anymore. I've been over that way a load of time. Oh, let's put the chassis number there. That one's riveting back on. So give us a like if you like video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see stuff. I mean, you'll obviously see the rest of this come together, so might be of interest to people. And pass a comment if you want to know. But they have a 1954 Ford Anglia. I think it's an E494A, something like that. I think that's what it is. But they have that many different digits. There were 100E, which these became 100E version, which what like roll and rat one as I call it. And a lot of changes over years, but this one has been sorted out, and once this is on, it'll be everything put back together. Obviously, it dashes over here, you know, parcel shelf, floors all ready and done. Then there's plywood bit there, like outriggers, the old front wings. Rear wings are up there, been fully repaired. Front wings are up there. Your inner wings are there, they get painted before they go on. But you'll see all this if I do another run out on it. So, like I say, give us a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Pass a comment and I'll come back to you. So, catch you all later everybody. Take care and bye for now.